Hello everyone, a busy day here at Lee. We're shortly off on a trip with Brian Wheeler, who's one of the 2023 DfT Aviation Ambassadors, to Bembridge on the Isle of Wight. Join us this flight and we'll tell you more.
From here, Victor, Roger, safe on the trip. See you soon.
Ready?
Yeah, absolutely. Good, going outside. So it's just grass takes over between the pegs, and then you can almost go to the left of the pegs next to the RV for the old power checks.
Yep. So I'll just stay this side of him rather than me.
Yeah.
I get blown by him. He's going to knock the peg. That'll do. Right into sun.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah, I've got a little sun visor.
Oh, there is, isn't there?
That's it. Cool, he's lining up.
So what did you say, start up 14?
I got 1450.
50, takeoff's going to be 1500.
Yeah.
Land will probably be 1510.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cool, rolling 30.
Got Papa India approaching the 30 hold, ready for departure.
Roger, surface wind is 0353.
Got Papa India. Right, nobody on the final?
No, cool.
Let's not go too fast over this bump.
Yeah.
So he's not going to give us any takeoff at your discretion or anything?
No, so
it's all ours?
Yeah. So yeah, just report when you're rolling, it's good.
Well, RV's disappeared.
There's one just out to the left.
Yeah.
Right, so we've departed the circuit to the western, changing frequency to Solent 118.930. Bye-bye. Roger, safe onward trip, see you soon.
Got Papa India's rolling.
Got Papa India, Roger, surface wind 0353.
Papa India. Ready?
Yep.
Back off with 2 Victors en route to the west, good day. Good day, safe onward trip. Thank you.
Wants to go, yeah.
Bembridge Radio Golf Alpha Tango Yankee Sierra. Golf Alpha Tango Yankee Sierra, Bembridge Radio, passing message. PA28, taxi departure.
So the RV's clearing to sort of the south and west by the looks of it, and then
Golf Yankee Sierra, Roger, no report of traffic. Understand there's no traffic, understand runway.
Right, 300 feet.
QFE 1044.
Right, comes up. Do you want to just check that?
Beautiful. Yeah, that's all good this time. It's all good outside.
I'm not going to go much above 1500, I don't think.
Yeah, that's...
And I'll tell him we're off.
Yeah.
Bembridge, got Papa India. We're departing to the northwest and we'll switch to Lee now. Thanks for your help. Bye-bye.
Got Papa India, Roger, safe onward trip, see you soon.
Lee, hello again. Golf Papa Alpha Papa India. We're just airborne out of Bembridge and returning to yourself. Process good information. 2POB.
Well, that brings the information. Good afternoon. Coming into major paragraph on
Was that for us, do you think?
Yeah. 05 left hand 1046.
Golf Papa India, understood 05 left has missed the QFE, sorry.
Golf Papa India, VQ, FE 1043.
1043, copy Golf Papa India.
With the Beckoning 05 and Alpha, request access to parking.
Okay, well, there's 1,500 feet. I don't like this.
The information, good afternoon, Golf Oscar Kilo Tango Alpha, also inbound from Bembridge, just to the east of Cowes, requesting joining information please.
What am I trying to say?
Tango Alpha
Throttle.
information, good afternoon. Runway to main 05 left hand, DfT 1043.
Runway 05 left hand 1043 and we'll report when descending over
Okay,
perfecto.
Good.
Nice to set up on the cruise. So, while we're in the cruise, Brian,
Yeah.
tell me, Aviation Ambassador 2023,
Yeah.
what is it, what do you do, and yeah, tell us more.
Okay, so the Department for Transport Aviation Ambassadors, there are 13 of us from a wide range of specialisms within the aviation industry. A very diverse group, which is great. And our overarching aim is to encourage...
Call the traffic, 4306 squawk, and we're going to be Cowes for left base, so Papa India. Sorry, yes.
The main...
holding up
The overarching principle really for us is to encourage young people to consider a career in the aviation industry, and of course certainly my perception is when you speak to a young person and ask them or talk to them about aviation, they always default to pilot. So for me personally it's important to highlight that there are so many other jobs within the industry that I see my role as opening their eyes to that.
Absolutely. I think that's one thing I never realised as well when I was 13 and wanted to be a commercial pilot and stuff, and actually I've managed to do it whilst also having an aviation career on the side, which has actually helped partially fund my flying as well as build skills knowledge from the ground-based side towards flying. So yeah, there's definitely needs to be more emphasis on it.
Sure, and you know, from aerospace engineering to air traffic control to baggage handlers to check-in agents to the people who work in retail at the airports, there are so many opportunities, and I think once people start to have their eyes open to that then opens up a whole new world for them, which I'm actually looking forward to, you know, to getting that message across.
Absolutely. So if people want more information, how can they find out? How can they follow you? Where should they go?
So there is the DfT website. You type in DfT Aviation Ambassadors, and all of the information is on there. It gives all of our names as well, and most of us are on social media, so Instagram, Twitter. You'll be able to find us all through our names by looking on social media once you have looked at the DfT site.
Amazing. Cool. Well, yeah, I'll plug something here so you can find Brian on Instagram. And I say, tied alongside, although I'm not an official ambassador, see lots more information on the co-pilot website as well if you're looking at getting into flying. So there's a wealth of resources out there.
Right, so I'm always quite messy when I join from here. What's your top tip?
So, Cowes, free to check.
Yeah.
Then we're almost heading...
Fuel pump off, can't we?
Yep. Then we're almost heading for the houses to the left of the Stubbington Reservoir.
Yeah.
1500 is good along that stretch of water. You can almost do your bum fitch as you're heading towards Stubbington, obviously keeping a listen out for traffic. Yeah. If we have to bail, Cowshot, we can hold at Cowshot.
Yeah.
And then once we are pretty much established left base, we know there's a gap, turn on to left base. With descent, sort of halfway across from 1500 to 1000.
Hold on 1 second, somebody's just said
Roger, main operating 05 left, DfT 1043. Traffic's 2 C42s that are routing from the island to join left base.
05 left hand, QFE is 1043, copy 2 C42s on the island, keep on head for those Golf Bravo, so we'll position for a left base also.
Okay.
Golf Bravo, just for info, this is one of the C42s. We're overhead Cowes at 1,600 feet on the lead QFE.
Thank you. And Golf Bravo, copy that, there's one of them just overhead Cowes.
Understood, I'm 400 feet, trying to be higher than them, so I'll not defend at this point, Golf Bravo.
Okay, the other one's ahead of them.
Understood, Golf Bravo.
Okay, so I'm going to start heading over there.
Yep.
Golf Romeo Whiskey departing in the zone to the north and going to Farnborough on 125.
So is it those over there or heading over there?
Yeah, no, so you've got the river,
yeah.
so it's just the one's just to the left of that.
Yeah.
4572.
Our normal pattern.
Yeah, absolutely.
Ones.
And then, so once you're about halfway across, start descent, so yeah, probably about 3,000. Which will take us from 1,500 to 1,000.
Right.
And at that point as well, anywhere between here and there, so we can do your bum fitch checks, get them done nice and early, so they're all done.
Might as well do them now. Brakes are off, the carriage is down.
Turning left base now, 05 to land.
The fuel pump back on anyway.
Roger, report final 05.
Full code, Golf Tango Alpha.
That's okay, the QFE is set and hatches and harnesses are
Yeah,
secure.
all good, doors shut, I'm strapped in.
And we're good.
Golf Bravo Alpha station with the C42 ahead. We'll orbit all the codes for the time being.
Wise move.
Yeah.
Right, I'm going to start.
Good afternoon, this Golf Bravo.
Coming back a bit.
Outside hangar 16, request radio check and information. Local flight to the east to POB.
North Oscar Victor Foxtrot Romeo, readability 5, Roman U 05 left, QNH 1045.
I can see GOP2 as well.
Yep.
05 left hand circuit, QNH 1045, taxi out discretion, Delta 1, Golf Foxtrot Romeo.
So at this point you can start heading towards sort of the river almost.
Yeah.
We know there's a gap.
Yeah.
This is a good point if there ever is traffic. You've got cow shot which you can hold and then
Golf Tango.
all back to
Final
cows.
runway 05 to land.
Tango Roger, runway 05, land discretion, 17020 degrees, 5 knots.
Landing 05, Golf Tango Alpha.
Good, that's looking nice.
Alright, so we're 1,000 feet, we've done the bum fitch,
Good,
we're looking good.
Absolutely. And then it's just, almost obviously a bit further to go. Position yourself as you would on a normal base.
Yeah.
Once you've completed the turn, power back probably 2,500.
Okay.
Keep that nose up, allow the speed to drop off. Once you're in the white arc, one stage, and come down.
Yeah.
That'll help your descent rate get going, and then second stage once you're established on final.
Start the turn, I think.
Yep.
Papa India's left base, 05. Roll report, Golf Papa India.
So this is radio R received.
Yeah.
Right, so there.
Yeah, so keep the nose
back.
up, power back.
Vacating left onto Charlie and back to Bravo. Golf Tango Alpha.
Oscar Romeo, cross 05, Delta 1 to Bravo, taxi Bravo 2.
Good. Safe speed. First stage flat. Good.
It won't go in.
Forward a bit. That's it. That's it. It is in. Yep. Cool. Cool. So power back, maybe even a little bit more. Even though it is a little bit choppy. Yeah. Cool. And actually the descent rate coming down nicely.
Yeah. Keep that
Oh,
nose
clear
up
on
a bit.
final.
Golf Tango Alpha. Vacating flight Charlie.
Tango Roger, thanks.
Golf Papa India's finals to land.
There's one crossing the far end, right to left, I'll call you back shortly.
Golf Papa India.
Cool. So this is where you get your second stage in.
Yeah, let's just get that speed off a bit. Nose up a bit.
Golf Foxtrot Romeo, thank you.
Off up India 05, land discretion, 77020 degrees, 4 knots.
Yep.
It's alright to put it in now?
Yep. Good.
Okay, let's calm out a bit. Get yourself lined up, Wheeler.
So yeah, keep that power off almost. Plenty of height to lose. Good, it's looking nice. Speed is good.
Yep. There's a fly annoying me in the windscreen.
And then Golf Papa Alpha's no left base to 05.
Golf Bravo, Roger, report final 05.
Cool, Golf Papa.
Sounds like Ian Whitbird, that. Okay, speed is good.
Good, hold it there, lovely. Beautiful.
Ooh, it's one of my best ones yet.
Lovely.
Got to be happy with that, George.
Yeah, really good.
Okay, left Charlie, left again to Bravo 1.
Left to Charlie, left again, Bravo 1, confirmed, yeah.
Oh, George, there's nothing better than greasing a
Nice landing, yeah, really nice approach, yeah.
Maybe I'm not so bad as I thought.
No, absolutely. I think the key, and I don't know how you were taught on final, so...
Keep that picture.
Yeah, so point and power, so aim for the point you want to land,
Yeah.
at which point then the power becomes just your speed. So just keep that picture exactly the same,
Yeah.
and then if your speed drops a bit low, increase your power, if your speed's a bit high, reduce your power.
Yeah, that's exactly how I was taught.
Yeah.
And, well, it's just about getting that confidence, and
Absolutely.
and that will help with that, definitely. I'll call vacated because I know he's on fire.
Got Pepper Indians vacated, runway 05.
Lovely stuff.
Oh, I can go home with a big smile on my face.
15, that was a nice trip.
I enjoyed that. That was very nice.
Oh, thanks for bringing me along.
No, thank you for coming. I really appreciate it. Keep doing it. We'll have some adventures.
Anytime.
It was great fun flying with Brian and back again in the C42. Well, that's us back safely at Lyon Solent. Thank you again for watching the video. Please do check out the Department for Transport Ambassadors if you want more information, or follow Brian on his Instagram account. Likewise, please do be sure to check out my website www.copilot.uk, as well as my Instagram and Facebook pages.